Now, in the United States, the Supreme Court has allowed the state of Texas to enforce a law that gives the police broad powers to arrest migrants suspected of illegally crossing the border. Now, the law, known as the Senate Bill 4, has been challenged by the Biden administration on the grounds of being unconstitutional in nature. The Joe Biden administration says that the law is a clear violation of federal authority that would upset more than a century of immigration authority. Notably, the court did not address whether the law is unconstitutional.
It's a sad day for our democracy because the United States Supreme Court, using all of its powers or minimizing its own powers, is allowing SB 4 to be enacted in Texas. This bill is much worse than SB 1070 from Arizona in 2012.
I think it passes constitutional muster. I think it's the right policy for the state of Texas. We have to have a secure border, and that's not just a Republican, ideal. That is independents, that is swing voters, that's even some Democrats who want a secure border. So SB 4 goes a long way to address that, and it should be the law in the state of Texas.
The governor of Texas, Greg Abbott praised the Supreme Court's order on the law, calling it a positive development in a post on social media platform X. The Texas Governor Abbott also argued that the law does not conflict with the federal law of the United States. Meanwhile, Mexican Foreign Minister Alicia Bárcena has called the SB 4 law anti-immigrant and xenophobic. Signed into law in December last year, Senate Bill 4, also known as SB 4, is part of Greg Abbott's border security program worth $12 billion. Under the program, the governor has planted razor wire and built a floating fence along the border to prevent the illegal entry of migrants from neighboring Mexico. In fact, the southwestern state of Texas shares 3,145-kilometer-long border with Mexico, and it has witnessed regular incidents of illegal border crossings in recent years. The leaders of Texas say that the new law, which is the SB 4 law, is needed to curb the influx of migrants. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.